Hi, my name is Andrew Burrow with INFINITI, and today we are here to talk about HomeLink and how we can put comfort and convenience at your fingertips. So this is a 4-step, possibly 3-step process that we're going to go through today on how to program your garage door, your security gates, and/or your front door. In an INFINITI, there can be 3 places where your HomeLink buttons would be: rear view mirror, the overhead console, or your driver visor. Most cars today are going to have it built into the rear view mirror. First, you have to clear the codes from your HomeLink. The way you do that is hold buttons 1 and 3 down until you get a blinking button. Once you do that, you have cleared the codes and you can actually begin the process. Release, and the memory has been cleared. Step 2, position the handheld transmitter 1 to 3 inches away from the button you're going to be programming. Step 3, simultaneously hold the button you're going to be programming and the transmitter button. Hold the button down for up to 90 seconds. That slow blinking will now become a fast blinking button. You'll know that the programming is complete at that point. If the rapid blinking turns into a solid light, you know you have a rolling code. From there, you're going to go to your actual garage door opener and you're going to press the Smart/Learn button on the garage door. You have 30 seconds to get back to your vehicle and press and release the button you're going to be programming up to 3 times, and the flashing will stop. And that's how you program your HomeLink button. If you need any assistance or have any question, please don't hesitate to contact us here at INFINITI or go to austininfinity.com. Thanks.